Okay guys, here we go again. This is my third video that I recorded today. I'm going to be releasing them on different dates. So this is my unboxing of my SIZZIX subscription box. So I hope you like it. Let's see here. So my whole box can come out. I need to move it in this way. Okay, here we go. So let's see. So this way. And need to open it through the top. So let me cut this off right quick. Okay, so it's looking good. It says hello SIZZIX maker. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, there you go. Okay. So this is my packing slip. Oh. Okay, cool. And so this is what it comes with. This is white glitter, I believe. Let me see, what does that slip say? Well, this is the September 2020 box, the festive cheer box, and that's what this glitter. So yeah, this is glitter. It's not embossing powder. So this is glitter. This is the holly berry, and this is the white glitter. These are the gold sequins. They have little hearts in there. And this is the stars. Small and big. Big and small. There we go. We'll have a thank you card. Oh, 10% off. Brand new chapter 3 and making essentials. Cool. So we get the stencils. The stencils on it. Die cuts. Bear with me, guys. This is my third day with on liquids. So yeah. This is my die cuts. This is Mary, Bright, and Joy, and Noel. That's pretty cool. I saw this box and I really wanted this dies because I think they're different. You can put them like that. So see, here's one. Let's open it. Let's open it so we can see. Oh yes, there you go. So it's about a good size for the card. It's not too big or not too small. I thought they were gonna be like big, but no, they're not. So that's cool. I like it. I like the little flowers and pine cone. That's pretty cute. I'm sorry, were you looking at it? I'm not looking to make sure that you can see. Sorry about that. I'm just on my own world. I need to get some food in me, some jello, something. So this is cute. Then we have these adhesive sheets. Yeah. So let's see here. Okay. I'm gonna have to watch the video and see what they do, because I do have an instructional video on what you can do with this. I mean, you can come up with your own stuff, but I like to watch and then come up with my own stuff. So these are the cardstocks, and these have different colors in here. Sorry about the noise again. My throat hurts from talking so much. Okay, so I like this. This feels nice. It's like that soft sandpaper. The sanding paper is like very light. That's how it feels, and it's not loose, so it stays there. So the glitter will not come off of there. So it's 2 sheets of these. It's 2 of the dull gold. Ooh, the light. And 2 of the darker gold. So I like that they included like all kinds of shades of gold. You see there, the mirror, the opaque but with silver, and yeah, this is good. I like. And they provide you with a paper that way you don't have to go buy it. Even though I'm expecting another, I bought some paper from this company and I'm waiting for mine. This is 5 white cardstocks, and they tell you right here. And there's some more cardstocks. Make it snap share. So they give you plenty of cardstock so you can make your cards. And they give you like coordinated colors to match and go with it. So it's one of these, and this is like it's got texture on it. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's a green. This is another type of kind of green yellowish. Then we have the red, Christmas red, I guess. The pink, more brighter red, dark green. Oh, I like this one. This is more like a minty. They have the white and the black and the brown. So they all coordinate, you know, with Christmas colors. So I'll see. I'll look at my video, at the video I saw the first time and see what they made. I'm gonna stick this back in here. Can't wait. I have so much stuff to do, guys. It's just crazy. I need to stop ordering so much stuff. But anyways, you know how that goes. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope that you can subscribe to my channel. And then I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.